Hi everyone, Farmer Joe here, coming at you fresh from the field with the next stop on our virtual farm tour. So here we are in this rye cover crop. So this is rye, like cereal rye, like the same thing that they use to make rye bread. And you can actually see here, look, it's starting to head out. So that is the beginning of the head. Eventually those seeds will fill in and become rye. And if we were grain farmers, we would harvest them. But we're not grain farmers, we're earthworm farmers. So what we're doing here is that we're growing this cover crop to feed the earthworms and to feed the soil microbiology. So we're gonna go in here with a mower and mow it up, and it'll be dropped on the ground, and then the earthworms will come up and eat it and just make an amazing earthworm poop, which is great for the soil. And then after the rye is mowed, the clover will grow back, because under here we've actually planted also clover. So you can probably find the clover plants. They are these three-leafed ones. These ones with the little white lines are red clover. So go ahead and maybe pause the video, try to find a couple red clovers. Next one is sweet clover. So it is in the alfalfa family, actually. It's a cousin. And this thing will actually grow to be 6 feet tall and send a taproot pivoting down through the soil 6 to 10 feet deep in the soil and go get all sorts of nutrients in the subsoil. And what else we got in here? We also have some rye grass. So believe it or not, rye grass and rye have nothing to do with each other except that they're both grasses. But other than that, they're pretty much total opposites. Rye is this big stem that will eventually turn into straw and make a grain, whereas ryegrass, you might have seen it in your lawn mix. It's a very fibrous, low-growing grass that's amazing for the soil. So go ahead and give it a try. Try to find ryegrass, red clover with the little white spots, and sweet clover. You can tell sweet clover by the shape of its leaf. Its growing tip is a little different. So go ahead, try to find one of each of those three, take a picture of yourself with it, and post it online with the hashtag OttawaFarmFresh. All right, cool. Well, let's move on to the next station.